Hi there, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you how you can get to know the number of elements in a list. So this is a question, or this is the problem which I've seen many people have been asking me, but the answer is rather very simple by using one simple function. So I'll just explain you very quickly about this, what the problem is and how you can resolve this. So the problem is that let's say we have a list of countries where we have, let's say, India, and then United States, and then maybe Canada, and maybe Germany. So we have these 4 countries over there. So if you see, if you need to know what is the how many countries which are listed over there, because sometimes you need to iterate over these countries, let's say for data processing perspective, or maybe for any other reason. So getting to know how many elements are present. So right now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 that elements that are present. So how to know that number of elements that is present is simply by using the len function. So if I say len country, you will see the number 4. That's how, or that's simple the problem is. And as and when you will add, remove, update the statements like this, you will see that you are getting the length of the country as per the changes. So that's about it. And if you want me to create a video on smaller or bigger issues which you are facing related to Python, let me know and I will figure it out sometime and create a video for this. So if you like this video, hit the like button and I will meet you in the next video.